हेलो एवरीवन। अभी मैं इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बताने वाली हूँ। जो त्रैमासिक परीक्षा है उसमें इंग्लिश के जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं आ सकते हैं, और इसके अलावा एक एक मार्क के क्वेश्चन भी आएंगे। अगर आप उसको सोल्यूशन चाहिए तो आप एडुस्टेट ऐप पर चेक कर सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दी हुई है। सो लास्ट लेसन चैप्टर से कुछ क्वेश्चंस है वो मैं बताती हूँ। व्हाट हैड बीन पुट अप ऑन द बुलेटिन बोर्ड। सेकेंड रहेगा जस्टिफाई द टाइटल द लास्ट लेसन। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड एम हैमल सेड अबाउट फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड फ्रांस नोटिस दैट वाज अनयूजुअल अबाउट द स्कूल। हाउ डिड फ्रांस फीलिंग अबाउट एम हैमल एंड स्कूल चेंज। Next, sixth question, what changes did the order from Berlin causes in school that day? Seventh, it is possible to carry pride in one's language too far. Do you what linguistic enthusiasm means? आठवां है, the people in the story suddenly realizes how their language is precious to them. What shows you this and why does it happens? Ninth है, France think will they make sing in German even the pigeons. What could this means? अगला अगला चैप्टर है द लास्ट स्प्रिंग। इसका पहला सवाल, व्हाट मेक्स सिटी फिरोजाबाद फेमस। दूसरा, व्हाट इज साहिब्स लैंग्वेज फॉर इन गार्बेज डम्प्स, वेयर हैज ही केम फ्रॉम। Is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Explain. What could be the sum of the reason for migration of the people from village to cities? In the lesson, the lost spring, who is Mukesh? What was his dream? Why was Sahib unhappy about working in the tea stall? अगला सातवां है, why should child labor be eliminated and how? आठवां, who is Mukesh attitude and to his situation different from that of his family. अगला, mention the hazards of working in the glass bangles industry. Deep water से पहला सवाल, why dog is determined to get over his fear of water. दूसरा, how did the instructor build a swimmer out of goggles. तीसरा, what is the misadventure that William Douglas speak about. चौथा, how did this experience affect him. पांचवा, what were the series of emotion and fears that Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the pool. What plan did he make to come to the surface. रेड ट्रैप से पहला सवाल, what doubt did Edla have about the paddler. दूसरा, what made the paddler think he had indeed fallen into the red trap. तीसरा, why was Crofter so talkative and friendly with the paddler. चौथा, why did the paddler decline the invitation. पांचवा, why did the iron master speak kindly to the paddler and invite him home. छठवा, from where did the paddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap. सातवां सवाल, what made the paddler finally change his way. आठवां, the story of the rat trap focuses on human loneliness and the need to have bond with others. Justify this statement. उसके बाद फ्लेमिंगो बुक का आखिरी चैप्टर जो आने वाला है इस बार, इंडिगो। पहला सवाल, list the places that Gandhi ji visited between his first meeting with Shukla and his arrival to Champaran. दूसरा सवाल, why do you think the servant thought Gandhi ji to be another peasant. तीसरा, how do you think that ordinary people be contributed to the freedom movement. चौथा, in this lesson why Rajkumar Shukla described as being resolute. पांचवा, how did episode change the plight of the peasants. छठवा है, why did Gandhi kite the lawyers of Muzaffarpur. सातवां, why do you think Gandhi considered the Champaran episode to be the turning point of his life. आठवां, why did Gandhi agree to the settlement of 15% refund to the farmers. तो फ्लेमिंगो बुक से इतने ही चैप्टर आ रहे हैं और ये उसके महत्वपूर्ण जो सवाल थे, इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल, वो सब मैंने बताया। अब फ्लेमिंगो बुक से जो पोयम का सेक्शन है, कविता वाला, उसमें पहला जो चैप्टर है माय मदर एट 66 का सवाल देख लेते हैं। व्हाई इज द पोएट्स मदर कंपेयर टू द लेट विंटर्स मून. सेकेंड, व्हाई आर द यंग डिस्क्राइब्स एज पेंटिंग. What is the kind of pain and ache that poets feel? Write the central idea of the poem My Mother at 66. पांचवा है, what were the poets feeling at the airpad and how did she hide them? छठवा है, what is the kind of pain and ache that she poet feels? दूसरा चैप्टर है Keeping Quiet. What is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem Keeping Quiet? दूसरा central idea of the poem Keeping Quiet. तीसरा, what will counting up to 12 and keeping still help to achieve? चौथा है why grandeur associated with the mighty deeds. Fifth, what symbol from the nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under apparatus stillness? Sixth, what were the different types of war mentioned in the poem Keeping Quiet? सातवां है what does the poet means by saying victory with no saviors? आठवां आखिरी इस चैप्टर का why does the poet ask us to keep still? एक और चैप्टर है पोएम से A Thing of Beauty. List the things of beauty mentioned in the poem A Thing of Beauty. दूसरा सवाल है summarize the poem A Thing of Beauty. तीसरा what makes human being love life in spite of trouble and suffering. चौथा what pleasure does the beautiful things gives us. पांचवा है write the central idea of the poem A Thing of Beauty. छठवा है what image does the poet use to describe a beautiful body of the earth. और ये पोएम वाला फ्लेमिंगो बुक यहीं पे खत्म होती है. विस्तास देख लेते हैं. विस्तास में 4 चैप्टर आ रहे हैं. पहला द थर्ड लेवल में पहला सवाल व्हाट डज द थर्ड लेवल रिफर्स टू. दूसरा डू यू थिंक द थर्ड लेवल वाज अ मीडियम ऑफ स्केप फॉर चार्ली वाई. तीसरा हाउ डिड चार्ली रीच द थर्ड लेवल ऑफ द ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन. Briefly describe Charlie experience in the third level. Do you see an intersection of time and space in the story? Tiger King दूसरा चैप्टर. पहला सवाल who is the Tiger King and why does he get that name. दूसरा what will the major Maharaja do to find the required number of tigers to kill. What did the royal infant grown up to be. चौथा है why did the Maharaja decided to get married. पांचवा how did the Tiger King stand in danger of losing his kingdom. How will he able to avoid the danger? Explain. छठवा why did the Maharaja ban tiger hunting in the state. सातवा how did the 100th tiger take its revenge upon the Tiger King. इसके बाद journey to the end of the earth. पहला है what are the indication of future of humankind. दूसरा why is Antarctica the place to go to understand the earth present past and future. तीसरा the world geology history is trapped in Antarctica. How do you study of this region useful for us. पांचवा है what was the first emotion of the narrator on facing Antarctica. और आगे एक और चैप्टर है इसका the enemy. ये आखिरी है. Will Hannah help to wounded man to wash him by herself. Will Hannah help the wounded man and wash him by herself. दूसरा what will Dr. Sadao and his wife do with the man. तीसरा who was Dr. Sadao and where was his house. चौथा describe the difficulties faced by Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah when he tried to help the enemy the soldier. पांचवा है in what condition did Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah find the white man and at the seashore. छठा है what will Dr. Sadao do to get rid of the man. सातवां क्वेश्चन है what was the reaction of the servant when they were told about the wanted white man. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आपके जो त्रैमासिक परीक्षा में जितने भी चैप्टर आ रहे हैं उसके इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल कवर कर दिए हैं. इसके अलावा एक मार्क के सवाल भी हैं और अगर आपको इसका सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो आप एड्यूस्टेट ऐप पर चेक कर सकते हैं. उसका जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. थैंक यू.